Hello, everyone, and welcome to the webinar on the video analytics by Triple IoT. The main agenda of the meeting would be to showcase the various use cases that Triple IoT has built, and very specific to the industrial and the asset industry, and our anything related to the manufacturing, or any other supply and chain in industry. So the why industrial why video analytics? Because this helps us to analyze the video in real time, providing valuable insights in the quality control, process optimization, safety, and security. And this helps to you know to do any early detection of intrusion, any notifications, so that we can act soon. Then, so we want to be an active, than to be on as being a reactive. So, couple of things about who we are, what we do. So we are a CMI level 3 company, and ISO certified, and one of the best places to work in India. Now, in terms of our products, we do a lot of IoT solutions, and video analytics is part of those of the offering stack that we provide. Now, this could be tailored to your use case, whatever a client is looking for. And so, yeah, next we'll jump on the what is video analytics, and this slide shows kind of various a small comparison how the industry has grown of the video analytics for the past 15-20 years, and who and how are they people in the industry are using us. Some use it for occupational health safety, some use it for reskilling or upskilling, some use it for do's and don'ts. So if something happens in your field of area, then you can capture it, and you can use it as, okay, this is what we should be doing, this is what we shouldn't be doing. And then how video analytics has been helping people to improve their efficiency, improve their productivity. And so, yeah, that's an overall the different use cases. Now, what we would be showcasing here is, and we have listed it down here, we would be showcasing hand scrubbing and sanitization, fire detection, box size detection, PP kit detection, oil spill, vehicle speed ANPR, scratch detection, suspicious or intrusion detection. So these from our standpoint of view, this is not just limited to this set of use cases. They are unlimited, that we can build once you have the video fed, and once we know the model that we want to detect, we can definitely go over and beyond this list. This is just a handful of use cases that we feel it's a very basic to every industry. Now we'll first go to the hand and scrubbing detection. Basically, the some of the very uh, uh, clean necessity industry, for example, your food and processing industry, your hospital, or your any public spaces where hygiene is of the top priority. So we want to make sure that people who are entering any premises, or people who are working in these areas, they have a very good hygiene condition. And especially the employees who come to work, we want them to be wash their hand with the soap, and then sanitize the hand, especially in the food processing industry, where any bad actor can destroy the whole food chain. We have been seeing a lot of foods being recalled because they are being detected with various unhygiene detections. So here, That's what this use case is about. And what is the advantage of doing it? It improves the hygiene compliance, is as a health, as a safety standard, as a regulatory compliance. And so this helps to being a compliant in all these areas. And of course, then it maintains your brand and reputation of the company, and a, a good brand is of course a good selling in the market. Now we will I have my team, and we will be showcasing the at the live demo. Will be so I'll pass on to Achal and Harsh and Narinder. So yes, guys, stop sharing, and I'll let them share the screen. So yeah, so as you can see here, we have a live feed coming in, and one of our agency employees, he's you can see he's scrubbing the hand, and whenever he scrubs the hand, it shows yes, this person is cleaning, or this person is scrubbing and cleaning his hand. And I can see the other people on the side, since they are not involved in the demo, so you can see they're just detected as a person. So you can see two things over here. It is a person detection, as well as it can do the action detection of the scrubbing. That's great, Anshul. Okay, now we'll go to the next one, and I'll share this uh, screen again. So yes. Uh, Here again, next is the video, and is the fire detection. In the fire detection is again part of the safety and the compliance, vertical. Especially fire has been causing one of the primary reasons of health hazard that happen in the industrial, in the manufacturing, or any supply chain industry, or any asset heavy industry. Fire is one of the primary cause of various losses. So, we would be showcasing you how we can use the video analytics and detect this fire. And for again, what is the advantage? Keeps you regulatory compliant, keeps an enhanced safety and security, and early detection of the fire can help to reduce the damage. And not only reduce the damage, it can also help to prevent any other left in the secure your environment. So I'll go next to Anchal, and then we'll showcase a demo for this one. Uh, yeah, Anjali, please go ahead and share the screen, and we can go from there.
Yes, sir. I'm showing in just a minute.
Mhm. Sure. Yes. So yes, for the sake of the demo, we are lighting a matchbox, and you can see as the moment a fire was broken, it right away detected the fire. And now this can be used to send an email, can be used to trigger the fire alarm, or can be used to send a notification on the phone. Thanks, Anshul. That's a great demo. We can see the fire in the screen. Okay. So back to me. I'm gonna share my screen again. So yeah. So here. Uh, so here we can we'll go to the next demo. I guess the next demo is for the box dimension detection. So this pretty much is for like in the assembly line, or where in a conveyor belt where you are have a shape or size that you want to make sure your production line adheres to a certain specific shape size. This is where this use case comes into picture. This is a very effective mechanism, especially if a specific shape and size is of utmost requirement, and it helps in early detection on the production line itself. So at the end of the you have a better quality control, you have a better efficiency, you have a better regulatory compliance, all, and overall you have saved your time. So whatever late detection that you do it costs more money and less efficiency. The earlier the detection, and it saves a lot on the pocket, and of course it helps to create helps in early decision making. If you want to do, what do you want to do with this bad quality product? Do you want to resend it for in the back to the previous department, or you want to, it's okay and we can let it go to the next step. So yeah, we'll go back to the demo, and I'll stop sharing, and Anchal will again do a demo on the shape and size detection. So yeah, here you can see we have a box that is being detected as the length and the width of the box, and as you can see, uh, since this of course there's an margin of error, but it yeah, as we said, this is an early detection mechanism that helps you to keep your um, your decision making early in the process than being at the later stage of your production life cycle. That's a great demo, Anshul. Yeah. Uh, so I'm going to share my screen again, and we'll go to the next um, use case. The next use case is a PPE kit detection. So PP kit is one of the very useful use case that finds in every industry, be it oil industry, be it your regular construction industry, be your regular industrial location. The safety of every employee is the responsibility of the employee and then the employer as well, especially your helmet, your safety glasses, your vest. These three are the bare minimum, and sometimes safety shoes as well. So they help not only to save and secure the employees, but also they help to save any unforeseen accident or situation. So with this PPE kit detection monitoring, we detect if any employee is not following the protocol, and then eventually he can be trained, or he can be, you know given shown the benefits of wearing on of all these health and safety equipments, and the benefits are unbound. You get a better a better workplace safety. You get an operational efficiency. You get employee confidence in being at a safer workplace. And the good thing is with the video analytics, you can do it in a real time. If you find an employee who is uncompliant, we can very easily go and pin and let him know what is he uncompliant about. So we'll go back to the demo, and I'll stop sharing, and we'll go back to the demo for the PPE kit. Uh, Gentlemen, yes, please. You're up. For Anchal, Harsh, anybody? Yes, so that's a great. So as you can see, so the here we have no gloves, we have no helmet, no mask, and as you can see, the video very rightly detects that he has no vest. So and then it also counts how many uh, things are missing from the employee. So, yep, and this helps in early detection. Now, again, as I said, we can use this information either to send a notification, or we can, let the employee know that he's uncompliant. Yeah, thanks, Anshul. Yeah, that's a great showcase there. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen again, and we'll go to mm, the next demo. So yep, moving on from the PPE kit detection, we'll go next to the oil spill detection. So the oil spill detection is one of the very common use cases, especially if you are working on the floor, on be it mechanical workbench floor, be it on the industrial workbench floor, or if even if from the oil industry. So you know, like how difficult it could be when there's an oil spill on your ground. And the good thing is this is not only limited to oil. The model can be trained to detect any liquid, be it water, be it any other chemical. So it is not just limited to oil spill detection. It can be, of course, based on tuned and tweaked based on your requirement. But yes, this helps. This is one of the various good use cases when you have a wet floor. Very likely somebody can skid on the floor. Very likely somebody can can get unwanted injuries by that by the slippage, or even if it's not, at the end of the day, it's just gonna make you get stick to your shoes and all that. So this detection helps to get that in early detected. And again, since it's from the live feed, it can be detected as and when the event is happening. Uh, so yeah, we'll go back to the demo and show you how this looks like. I'm stopping the sharing, and yes, and let this gentleman show any spillage detection. Yes, perfect. So as you can see, there is a spill on the floor, and the live feed is detecting all the areas that it is taking it as a spillage. Now this is as I said, a great way to stop any unforeseen accident that can happen, or any of being the floor being wet, or any other, and like it could be a crude oil that is on the floor, it could be just a regular water on the floor, or it could be just any other chemical, hazardous chemical on the floor, which is accidentally spill. This can help to detect all that. thanks, Anshul. Yeah, we'll move on to the next demo. I will be sharing my screen again, and Mm, yeah, perfect. Yeah. So now the next we are moving on to from the oil spill detection, we'll move to the ANPR and vehicle speed detection. This is especially useful in the warehouses where we have a forklift that is being used to move around the warehouse. So we want to make sure the speed of the vehicle is under the permissible limit, and that's one use case. But the other use case is to detect the number plate of a vehicle, and it can and what is the speed of the vehicle. So you can measure the speed of the vehicle, you can measure the number plate of the vehicle, and you can also see measure the track the trajectory of the vehicle if it is going in the required required and approved zone. Yeah, so what is where it is used? We already have discussed that, and of course, we can do the vehicle flow count in a given on a given road. So I mean, there are unlimited use cases that we can build, but here we would be showcasing the ANPR detection. I'm gonna let this gentleman share their screen. For the for for, for showcasing. Yes, Harshan Anchal, yeah, you are up for sharing your screen, please. Yeah. So as you can see, we have this is detecting it from the image. So it is very nicely detecting the number plate of one of the image, then the number plate of another car, as very rightly and very clearly is being detected. That's a great demo, Harsh. Yeah, I guess we have one more. Yeah, correct. So yeah, as you can see, again, this has detected the number plate very nicely. Thanks, Harsh. And we'll move on to our next demo. Let me share my screen first. Okay, the screen sharing in progress, and we'll go to the next. Uh, the next that we have on the list is the scratch and dent detection. So the scratch and dent detection are part of the of your manufacturing industry, especially if where even a minute scratch on a product, and nobody likes it. Be in the car industry, suppose you're doing a painting job or the spray painting job, and for some reason there's the painting is not good, so then the whole product has to be kind of redone. So this detection, the scratch detection, can help you to avoid those conditions. And then detection is not only if you have it putting it on the camera on a traffic, and if ever any accident happens, or if you're looking for a bad actor who has a dented car, or you can even look in a box. Or for example, if you are even in industry line, if you have a box that is being dented, or for some reason not in the right shape, then this can be detected. And it's for basically accuracy, consistency, efficiency, and all these are the other key things that you need to that they are useful. I'm going to the demo. I'm stopping stop sharing, and we'll do a quick demo here on the scratch detection. Yeah, Achal, Harsh, anybody can, yes, showcase the screen. Yeah, so here we are talking about here we are showcasing a scratch that a car has it. So as you can see, it's from the live feed. Yeah, yeah. See, there's a scratch in the car, and this very nicely detects the scratch, and it shows the what is the confidence on the that is the scratch, and then it also will do a dent detection. Uh, very rightly helps you to know, and also this for the as a in your safety and at a security level, you know when the detection can happen, or when the car comes in there was no scratch in the car, but when the car goes out there was a scratch in the car. So so then you know somebody hit you in the parking lot, or somebody intentionally did it, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, that's where this use case comes into picture. Thanks, Anshul. Thank you. We'll go back. We'll go to the next use case. I'm sharing my screen again, and we'll go to the next use case is for the person detection and face detection. This is, of course, one of the very, pet child of the video analytics. Everyone wants to be a person detection facility in the video analytics, be it at the front gate of your office, be it in a secure zone, that we want to make sure that only secure people or only approved people are in that area, or if it's a no person zone, then you want to make sure that no other there's no person in that hazardous zone. It could be a secure zone, it could be hazardous zone, or it could be anything. But the basic idea is that you want to not only detect the person, but you also want to know who was there. So this use case comes in very handy with the person and the face detection. Uh, so and of course the it also has the the safety, if you're looking at a crowd and there's a lot of people who are in the crowd, and there's a bad actor, then later you can use this to say, to kind of detect what who could be the bad actor, or whatnot. Just a quick, I think, guys, do we have a demo on this one, or we don't have a demo on this one?
So we have demo on intrusion detection.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. 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 So I'm gonna share the screen. Yeah, and stop sharing, and yeah, one of you can please share the screen. Yeah. Anybody sharing the screen? Sorry. Did someone say will be joining, showing the screen, or we move to the next use case? Yes, so this is a live video feed where we have seen a person doing an unattended object. Uh, this is also the part of this is also part of the same use case. Let me share the screen first, guys. So we're saying this is also the part of the same use case where we say enhance security, and as cloud management, and where we say that we can. I mean, that was some part of the demo where we showed an unidentified object being drawn by a person, and we very rightly detected it was an unidentified. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go to the next one. So that was the suspicious object detection as well. So this both person and suspicious object detection are they go hand in hand. You can not only detect a person but also any his suspicious activity that he has been involved in. So, and of course this helps to maintain your your efficiency, accuracy of the place. We'll go move to the next one. Is the face detection. I think face detection is again all these are part of the same landscape. Face detection, person detection, unidentified detection. Intuition detection also becomes a part of the same use case where we can mark a geofencing area and we can show who is in the who are supposed to be there and who are not there. uh, I think that's the one. And team, are we missing anything else that we need to showcase here?
No, sir, we are to.
We are good. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you so much for this demo and webinar, and we'll be stopping it.
Thank you, sir.